WhatsApp has finally introduced biometric locking of chats for its Android users, months after iOS got the feature. WhatsApp took to its blog to announce that Fingerprint lock for Android users is now available, adding another layer of security for users. All chats and notifications can now be locked by using the same fingerprint that is used for the screen lock, and even the time duration of the unlock can be customized. The process is pretty straightforward, especially for users who already have a fingerprint registered for unlocking the phone. Before starting, you need to be on the latest version of WhatsApp. For Android, the current latest build number is 2.19.308 on the Play Store. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings screen from the three-dot menu on the top. Head to Accounts, and then to Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Fingerprint Lock. It will give you a toggle to turn on Unlock with Fingerprint, after which you will get further options to customize the time duration. For how long an unlock will last. There's an additional option to hide the contents of the notifications.